Hello everyone. Let's talk about boosting your laptop's performance with a NEMIX RAM 96GB DDR5 SODIMM kit. If you're looking to seriously upgrade your machine, especially for demanding tasks, this might be exactly what you need. NEMIX RAM focuses on providing high-quality memory solutions, and this kit is no exception. It comes as a 2x48GB configuration, utilizing DDR5 technology with a speed of 4,800 MHz. This translates to a PC5-38400 rating, ensuring it can handle data-intensive applications with ease. The kit operates at a low voltage of 1.1 V, which is great for maintaining battery life in laptops while still delivering top-tier performance. The CL40 latency might not be the absolute lowest on the market, but it's a solid figure for DDR5 SODIMM, balancing speed and responsiveness effectively. Being 90cc unbuffered SODIMM, it's designed for standard laptops and PCs, making it a versatile upgrade option. One of the best things about NEMIX RAM is their commitment to quality and support. They offer a lifetime replacement warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in their products. Plus, they have a dedicated IT support team ready to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter during installation or use. Upgrading your laptop's memory is generally a straightforward process. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of installation, but it's always a good idea to consult your laptop's manual for specific instructions. With 96GB of RAM, you'll see a significant improvement in multitasking, running virtual machines, handling large datasets, and even gaming. NEMIX RAM aims to provide memory solutions that not only enhance performance, but also offer peace of mind with their warranty and support. If you're in the market for a substantial memory upgrade for your laptop, the NEMIX RAM 96GB DDR5 kit is definitely worth considering. It's a robust, reliable option that can transform your computing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.